because Protandim decreases oxidative stress in all tissues, think of muscles. If muscles get sore after you exercise a lot, that's a stress. That is, in fact, an oxidative stress on the tissue. There was a study recently published showing runners who took Protandim and runners who did not take Protandim, and the measurement of T-bars, which is one of the measures of oxidative stress, was significantly elevated in runners who did not take Protandim. So let's just say you, as the one of the authors said at a convention, we had these runners, and the greatest significance was in male runners 35 and older, so that speaks to a specific group of runners. But the same is true if you, as she said, run their guts out. If they run hard for a month and they rack up miles and miles and miles and miles, and they measure oxidative stress in their tissues, at the end of the day, at the end of the month, there is a significant increase, as would be expected, in the oxidative stress in runners who did not take Protandim. But it was clearly even. There was no increase in oxidative stress in runners who took Protandim. So that soreness, that achiness, that stiffness, that soreness that we associate with over-exercise is reduced. Now, that's one aspect of Protandim use in runners.